Hi, welcome to this new video in Lupoverse. Today we will continue the modeling of the PS1. We can start by adding a cylinder and we will give him not many faces because later we're gonna smooth it. Now we have to resize him and put it at the center of the reference image and also try to perfectly align it. And also you can see my model is a little bit tiny compared to the reference. It's because later we are gonna extrude the four faces. Fine. This cylinder is almost aligned with the reference. Now I'm duplicating the cylinder because I need him for an animation that I'll do in another video. And now, since I am a little bit lazy, I'm gonna triplicate the cylinder and put it on the power button and try to align it with the key. And also I'm gonna duplicate it for my future animation. And of course I'm gonna triplicate it for the other button in the back. Okay, you see, the button I put down below are for the half stack in the model, because we are gonna use one modifier that you can find in his tab. Also, this process will be for the power button. This modifier is called boolean. You can find it in the tab modifier with a branch, but I usually use one add-on that allows me to do boolean in a few seconds. This modifier is simple, but a little bit tricky a lot of times. You can apply this modifier by selecting the geometry that you want to delete, and with the shift key pressed you have to select also the main model. And with this add-on it's quite simple to do that. Now we are gonna insert with I the front face, in which we are gonna make the ports. In this case I will use the knife tool. Press K for pick it. And with this tool draw a straight line in the middle of the face. Once you're done, press enter to finish the selection. That will make a loop cut. Now I will select the left face, insert it a little bit and press S to scale it, and align it to the reference. Once you've done this, press Shift plus A to add a cube, and this cube will be a rectangle that you are gonna align it with the memory card. Once done that, duplicate the rectangle and drag it below. Now I'm gonna put the vertices in position to bevel it. And for bevel it, press Ctrl plus B. This process is the same for all the keys, and then I will cut the video. Now that you've done that, press Shift plus A to add a cylinder. With this we can apply the boolean modifier for create ports. The process is quite the same, you have to select the figure that you want to hollow out and pressing the shift key to select the main model. And I'm gonna skip this part because it's a little bit long, but it's easy. Follow the same process for every key. Now select the face and with X on the keyboard delete it. And select all the geometry that you want to duplicate and press Shift plus D. Also align all this with the reference image. And we can fill this hole by going to the vertex mode and select with Alt on the keyboard one edge. This will select all the figure. Press F to do one face. And now is the moment for the buttons. Select the hood and right click and shape Auto Smooth. Drag it down. Resize it how much you want. And near the buttons we are gonna take the knife tool for make the little cuts. And this part is important because we have to do a face and extrude it down. That doesn't work with one edge. Now draw the line that you see below the power button. And now intrude the face like that. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next part.